Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Portia. All my friends call me Porsh, so you can call me that too. And okay, so I am doing my official office tour. You guys saw like the intro video for me getting the office space, and then you saw the vlog, me styling the space. So now I'm gonna give you guys a full-fledged tour, okay? So you guys are gonna see all of this. You already kind of seen it, but I'm gonna show it to you again, and as well as I'm gonna give you a tour around the building, and yeah. So I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more. And yeah, let's just get on to the video. Alright guys, so right now we are at the front door. And the first thing that you see, well, the first thing that you have to do when you first walk in is take your temperature. Yeah, so you have to take your temperature right here. And then this is kind of like the lobby, but they do have this closed off. So yeah, and then this is kind of like mail, if you have mail. But I haven't gotten any mail yet. But this is where all the mail would be. This is like a common area. So, but this area is closed off. And then this is like our kitchen. Somebody walking in so embarrassed. So this is like the kitchen area. So, and there's like drinks in there, so you can get a drink. There's a sink, and then you have a coffee bar. This is actually a water filter. I did not know that until, I don't even know, but yeah, you have a coffee and tea filter. This is the refrigerator, so they have community drinks and like snacks in there too. So they have yogurt and then some drinks. So that's cool. And as you can see, I'm going the wrong way right now, but it's pretty empty in here at the moment. So everything is like labeled, like which way you could go, and so on and so forth. So you have this space right here. This is super nice. And then you have a conference room with motion censored lights. So this is the conference room. This is super legit, too legit to quit. I love this. And then right here you have a wellness room. And so you can just come in here and meditate or pray or whatever you need to do, or just, get your mind right. So you could do that. Then you have phone booths. So if you're having like a conversation and you don't want to, disturb anybody in the office, you can do that. This is another I think, common section. And then here we go. We have this area right here. Another place where you could like just sit and chill. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty much it. And then these are the bathrooms. That's pretty self-explanatory. So we're gonna go back the right way. this way. And we are walking towards my office. All right, you guys, so this is my office standing from the front. So going right here, first things first, this is my mother's desk. Hilarious. You see how she got these, like, she got it all set up. I don't know who, what, when, where, why she has this all set up, but she does. She's living her best life. She actually got these from the dollar store. I cannot believe it, but that's cute. And then we're just going to go over to my side, which is a little bit more toned down. I just have a notepad right here, and then a thing for a pen, and then if I need anything else, I just steal it from hers. My tripod, that's just stuff that I'm taking with me, so my purse and all the other stuff. My laptop, I bring my laptop with me. I filmed a Get Ready With Me, which you guys have already seen, and if you haven't seen it, go watch it. So that's why I have my mirror here. And then we have my bookshelf, and I have two bookshelves. The bookshelves are from Target. If you guys watched my vlog, I told you where everything was that's on the bookshelves, but quick little run through. This triangle thing is from Target. The plant is from Target. This little basket, that's from IKEA. The hourglass is from Target. Plant, Target. The P, that's from Amazon. That little circle and then the nameplate that says the feature is female, that is from Target as well. That's the same plant as that, so that's from Target. These two baskets are from IKEA. The baskets are from IKEA. And then that little paper clip, I don't know what you would call that. That's from Target as well. Now, like I said, I have these linked in the description box for like when I vlogged it, except for the only things that aren't linked are this paper clip and then the round thingamabob, the feature is female, and then this triangle thing. I got all that from Dollar Spot, like the little Dollar Spot or Bullseye, whatever you want to call it. So I couldn't link it because I could not find it anywhere on the Target website. So I don't know why I couldn't find it, but I couldn't find it. So sorry about that, guys. So this is my mirror right here. And I got the mirror from IKEA. This is just a tray when I do my makeup. I have no idea where that tray is from. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. But yeah, the mirror is from IKEA. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Whew. That was a lot. Alrighty guys. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video. You guys have no idea how much this means to me. It's so surreal. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, leave a comment down below, like this video, share this video, all that fun stuff. I'm going to have the vlog where I styled the office down below, and then also like the intro video to show you why I got the space in the first place. Those are all going to be down in the description box below. But until then, thank you so much for watching, you guys. New content coming like yesterday, honestly. But yeah, so until next time, see you later.